Well, talking about global spread of COVID-19, France and Israel have now begun administering the third vaccine dose for those with the weaker immune system. Pfizer also has sought for an approval from the US FDA to administer the third vaccine doses to counter the third possible wave of coronavirus effectively. Now, so that the question arises that just 2 doses of vaccine, are they really enough, or they need to now take a third dose of the vaccine?
Well, on the 11th of July, Israel announced that it will be giving a third booster dose of the Pfizer vaccine to its population. Now, what Israel essentially said was that it will be giving this dose to those who have a weak immune system. The decision, of course, has been taken amid a surge in Delta variant infections in the country of Israel. Now, those people who will receive the dose will, of course, include cancer patients. But apart from that, they still haven't decided whether everybody will be given a booster dose. So what are the other countries that are looking at a booster dose? France, of course, is also looking at administering this third dose to people who have a weak immune system. And in the US, the Pfizer has already asked the federal authorities to allow them to give a third booster dose. That decision has still not been taken by the US so far. The other part of it that everybody is asking is why a booster dose is needed at all. Do we all need a booster dose? So that's the big question. Now, scientists say that this perhaps is given to strengthen immunity against particular pathogens. Now, what this also means is that it trains the body to detect and protect against viruses and bacteria. It essentially boosts your immunological memory and helps you respond faster to a virus or a bacteria. So do we all then need a third dose? That's the question that everybody is asking. Now, there is really no scientific study that seems to suggest that everybody needs it and that your body will react better to the virus if we get a booster dose. The World Health Organization is yet to approve these booster shots, primarily because it believes that this approving a third shot will essentially divert very important doses of this vaccine to people who don't essentially need it.